Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like I told you, our basics of SQL series is almost completed. So in parallel way, from today onwards we are starting a Python series also, so we can learn in parallel way like SQL and Python both. Okay, so here this is our first class of Python. So in today's class we will talk about what is Python, okay, and what is programming language. Okay, so let's see what is Python. So Python means, so basically Python is a programming language. Okay, what kind of programming language it is? So it is a general purpose, or we can say object oriented, okay, and we can also say high level, and we can also say interpreted. So here just focus on the screen. Like, so Python is a programming language. What kind of programming language it is? It is a general purpose object oriented high level and interpreted programming language, okay, which can be used for different things. Different things means like we can use for machine learning, we can also use for data science purpose, we can also build web application, we can also use for desktop application, and we can also use for game application, and many more things that we can do by using the Python. Okay, so basically Python is a programming language. What kind of programming language it is? It is a general purpose object oriented high level and interpreted programming language which is used for many different things like machine learning, data science, web applications, desktop applications, game applications, and many more things. Okay, so here we can see the many new terms comes here like general purpose, object oriented, high level, interpreted. So these are the new terms. So what does it means? Like, what is general purpose, what is object oriented, what is high level, and what is interpreted? Okay, so before knowing these new terms, first we will know about what is programming language, because Python is a programming language. So first we should know about the what is programming language, then we will know about the features. These are the features. Okay, so first we will talk about the programming language and then we'll go beyond these features. Okay, so programming language means like set of instructions. So here you can see programming language means set of instructions. For example, you give a order to your chef like, I want to eat these things, like let's say you want to eat chicken curry. Okay, so what you will do, you will give instructions to your chef like these kind of items I want to eat and you have to prepare in this way. So you are giving the instructions to your chef. So the set of instructions which is known as programming language. Programming language mixed of two things like words and symbols, okay, which is known as programming language. Okay, so what will be the definition here? So programming language is a set of instructions which is combination of words and symbols, that is called a programming language. So let's see here, this is a computer, okay, and this is a user. Okay, this is a user and this is a computer. If user want to talk with the computer, what user will do? User will use the programming language. Okay, user will be using programming language to tell the computer like, I want these things. For example, user wants to print on the screen hello world. Okay, so what user will do? User will write some lines of code which is a programming language. Okay, so user will write like print hello world. Okay, so user will write this line print hello world and it will send to computer. So what computer it will do? Computer will do is like, computer will convert our code in zeros and ones. Okay, because computer does not understand these things like print hello world. Okay, so we will write our code like this is the code. Okay, we will write only our code in programming language, but computer will convert our code in zeros and ones. Means we are writing this hello world, so it will convert hello world in zeros and ones. Okay, so zeros and ones, we will say these things is binary format. Okay, so in programming language, zeros and ones we will say binary format. Okay, or we can say the machine code. So internally computer is using zeros and ones, means computer is converting our code in machine code, means in binary format. Okay, so this is the programming language. Like, programming language is set of instruction, okay, which is a combination of words and symbols, that is known as programming language. And if user talk with the computer, so user will write the code, simple code like whatever we want to print or whatever we want from our code. So we will write our own code. What will do computer? Computer will convert our code into machine code, or we can say the in binary format, means zeros and ones. That is called the programming language. That is the concept of programming language. Okay, so I think that's it for the today. In the next next video we will see about these features. Like these are the features we will talk about in the next video, like what is general purpose, object oriented, high level, interpreted. Okay, and we will also talk about the history of Python, like how Python named of this programming language, from where Python did came, when the Python did came. Okay, so we will talk all of these things in the next video. I hope you understand about these things, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button as well. And before starting this series, I would like to say all of you guys share with your friends and help me to grow my channel so that I can make more informative videos for you. So yeah, that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.